Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to discuss how was my experience at the visa interview. So I had my visa interview at 9:20 and I reached around 7:45 and I stood in line at 9 and the time from when I stood in line till the total time when the interview got over, it was around 1 hour. I entered at 9 and I went out by 10 a.m. So, how was it? Basically, there were certain counters there, and we were assigned to each of the counters. And my interview lasted for 1 to 2 minutes. My counter was at 29. She was an American lady in her young 20s, and she asked me 7 to 8 questions, starting with which university, why this university, and she asked about my admits, which universities did I apply to, how many admits did I get, and she asked my undergraduate pointer as well, and she asked कि किसमें किया है मैंने अपना undergraduate, and in finance question she asked what how are you funding your education, who is funding your education, how much is the amount, and what does my parents do, and she also asked which programming language do I use and why do I use it. So yeah, this 7 to 8 questions were asked. Everybody were in formals. I have also worn the formals. So you can wear formals, you can wear casuals. My visa interview was in Mumbai. I saw many rejections, but yeah, acceptance rate is around 70 to 80%. But there were students who were getting rejections, and there were quite a high number today at least. So yeah, that's it. Basically, when you reach the US consulate outside, they'll make you stand in a line. They'll ask you to get your passports out, and then you will go inside. Then there is another waiting area where you have to wait for around 30 to 40 minutes. Then you go into the room where you verify your passport and service, and then you get into different line which is the final visa interview line. From that line, a lady or a man would be assigning you a counter, and you have to go to that counter and sit there till your chance come. And basically there is as soon as they send you to a counter, there is just one person waiting in ahead of you. So yeah, that's it for this video. This was my visa experience. Oh yeah, and by the way, my visa got approved. So yeah, the visa interview lasted for 1 to 2 minutes, and the American lady was chill. She asked me basic questions. I answered them with confidence. So yeah, just be confident, don't fumble, and just be yourself. Be natural with your answers, not memorize. It should not be looking like you have memorized the answers. And you should know about the university and why you are going there. That's a very basic thing that a student should know, and that's what you need to answer there. So yes, so that's it. That was my experience at the visa interview. It was really great, and yeah, so all the best if you have any visa interview, and if you have any doubts regarding what to do, what questions are being asked, which was my counter number, or what clothes should I need to wear, or what documents do I need to take, I'll reply to you in the comment section. So thanks a lot. Keep liking, subscribing, and sharing. Start smart. Hello guys, so before I finish this video, I would like to share some tips. Like, I was confused what document holder should I take in, and how will it be easy to take all the documents within 1 second, because the interview lasts for only 1 to 2 minutes. So I bought this file holder. So this file holder has basically name tags in it, as you can see above. I have put all the name tags here, so it was very easy for me to get the documents out with the name tags in. So buy a transparent folder which has the place to store your name tags, and with the help of name tags you can get the documents out within a second. So yeah, so it has been some days after my interview, and finally then you will receive an email saying that your passport is ready, and you can go to the US consulate and take it. So for Mumbai, the people who are coming to Mumbai, they need to go to the same building where they had done the biometric. So it's the same building for collecting the passport. Another thing, you need to take your Aadhaar card with yourself, a Xerox of Aadhaar card, and make sure that that Xerox is self-attested, meaning that you have your sign on it, because they wouldn't ask for your original Aadhaar, they would ask for just for your Xerox Aadhaar and your appointment confirmation letter. That's it. These two documents would be needed. You just hand them those documents and they'll take it and they'll return your passport. And on the passport, on one page, a visa sticker would be there. And after seeing that, you will feel very great. I felt great, so it feels great. Yeah, so that's it. For the time, you need to carry two documents while collecting your passport back. One, the your appointment confirmation letter, and other would be your Aadhaar card, personal identification document, basically Xerox of Aadhaar card, self-attested, having your sign on it. And I would say that having it delivered to your home is much better. It's just 650 rupees. Usually appointments we take for the fall intake are in June, July or August, basically the time when it rains. So rather than going to the consulate and collecting your passport, and it's a very tedious process, so rather have it delivered at your home. You just need to pay at the time of delivery. So I think it's a better option, and I forgot to do it because yeah. So I think it's a better way. So yeah, go for it if it's possible for you to pay 650 rupees.